flying the S138 right now. A little windy out today, so. Oh, look at that. It's a little windy. I don't know if it's headless mode is what's happening. Yeah, I think I was in headless mode. Here she comes now. It's really windy out. It's not really fair. Let's speed it up. Let's go to 3. I think it'll be a little better for the wind. Oh, this is going to be a real short flight, my friends. It's a nice little quad. I mean, it's windy out here. But, handles pretty good. Cool looking. Under $60. Got great looking green light, so I bet you she flies pretty good at night. You got blue in the front? Yeah. I'll have to try her at night. I'm going to send her out, but it's really windy, so look at that. The wind is really causing some issues today. And these are budget drones. I mean, you can't fly these in 20-mile-an-hour wind. That's probably 15 coming back here. Okay. I don't know if there's a come to home on this thing. I know camera. Nah, I gotta fly her down. Ooh. The wind is just blowing her around. There we go. She's down. No, the wind's too much. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Maybe we'll fly it on a good day. But let me tell you, this is the S138. And subscribe if you want to see more videos on more budget drones.